We're out here playing with cars.
Yeah, nothing else better to do.
Scratch Doctor, did you know that they removed Haze from the, what do you call this, headlights?
That's after. This is before.
Wow, look at that. Ooh.
See the way what you doing it?
I just want to take as before. After. Okay, sure, if you want to.
It don't require too much.
They say they use on airplanes and household appliances. I guess get scratches off them too. I don't know who would care.
Watch the magic begin. Unbelievable. Pay a lot of money to have this done. Girl, go to Walmart.
Yeah, this was $9.47.
Save yourself some money in these hard times.
At that rate.
You all got to look out for one another.
Mm-hmm.
And if I can do it, you can.
Wow.
Wow, look at that.
My dad doesn't want to be on camera, but he's over there. He just had to be doing something with my car. Trying to get the scratches out. He's working so hard over there.
Yes, he is.
Now the clouds then came. It was sunny. They said it was supposed to rain today.
We had a few drops. How that's looking?
It looks good. Yep. Because we tried it on mine. Because mine was hazy for years.
That thing looking good from here. Look at that.
Wow.
Looks like a brand new headlight.
Haze. Probably sleep good tonight.
I hope.
Oh yeah. Wow. Yep, that's nice. I thought I was gonna have to
Get them done.
replace the whole thing.
I saved a lot
I
of
had
money.
to show y'all mine. Looks good. Looks good. Looks good.
Look at that.
Yep.
Wow.
Yep. I'll show y'all mine. I'll take that. Why he throw that vacuum away? Really? Oh. These were the hazy ones my mom did. I should have had a before and after that one. It's new. Alright, y'all. Just wanted to show y'all. Oh, what's this? Scratch Doctor. Maybe they'll... Scratch Doctor, will you pay me for an ad? Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
Have all my
We'll
friends
see you next time.
Scratch Doctor.
Right,
This
right.
is great. Fantastic.
We'll see you guys next time.
Bye-bye. Be safe.